RDC, wake up.
Good morning, sir.
I need to create something where I can show off my car cinematography, but also teach my friends about cars.
Calculating. Objectives are on your display. Would you like me to read them for you?
Objectives?
To keep things interesting, I have compiled a list of things you need to capture.
Interesting.
First step, find a car that was released this year. The GR86. Interesting. Powered by a 2.4-liter Boxer 4. The GR86 hit 60 in just under 5.5 seconds with just 228 horsepower. Is this why you prefer a lighter car?
Yeah, it is.
That's rather smart, Mr. Rocker. Next on the agenda is to find a JDM classic, the Honda Race CTY. The Acti is designed to be an economical and agile workhorse, and to this day is still used and is becoming rather popular in the States. Great job, and it looks stunning. Shouldn't expect anything less from the best anyway. Next up on the list, find a car that is engine swapped.
Artie, are you seeing this?
Scanning. Warning, owners are nearing.
Yeah, I see them.
Approach is imminent.
Okay, I guess I should start filming this. Let me show off my moves. But tell me about this car. Is it LS swapped?
You have a splendid technique, Mr. Rocker. However, this 2007 S2000 is swapped with an LQ9, which is a 6-liter V8. Not only that, there is an LSA supercharger strapped to it.
Really?
This car is no joke. The wheel horsepower is classified.
Ah, I see what you did there.
And now, for your next trick, make a TikTok trend.
Hold on, cause they got the goddamn.
In my solitude.
Heh. Do you ever get the feeling like someone is watching you?
What kind of question is that, Artie? Try to stay focused.
It's just that. Sorry, sir. Find a unique American muscle.
Does the Boss 302 work?
Yes, the S197 Boss 302 is an unappreciated gem. More powerful than the GT at 444 horsepower and 380 foot-pounds from a 5-liter V8. Engine designation Roadrunner, a car with very high potential and is the best handling live axle Mustang ever created. Good find, sir.
Thanks, Artie.
Here's a harder one. Locate a V8 wagon.
How about a Corolla?
Interesting.
Yeah, it is.
Engine designation 1UZFE, a 4-liter V8. Records show very little about this Corolla chassis specifically. However, the 1UZ is known to have around 300 crank horsepower stock. Not too shabby for a lightweight-looking chassis. Very interesting discovery, sir. How about a Porsche 911 with a wrap?
Check out this one. Ooh, this is nice.
Absolutely beautiful indeed, sir. Locate our R32 Skyline. Always love the inline 6. Beautiful sounding engine. This should be easy. Find your Volvo.
I'm a little embarrassed though, cause better need some work.
In due time, sir, post a car from your childhood. The Plymouth Prowler. A car long forgotten about. What looks like something that should be V8 is just an underpowered V6. Wasted potential. If I may, I believe we have exhausted this location. May I suggest a new one?
Sure.
We can include a drone shot to cover the fact that this was filmed over a week apart.
The party's just getting started, Artie. Let me handle this one with the camera. Back to you, Artie.
Here is a spectacle. Truly remarkable this is. It is often credited as the archetype of the supercar and as inspiration for icons such as the Ford GT, McLaren F1, and even the Bugatti Veyron. This is the Lamborghini Countach. A modern-day icon, this incredibly agile hypercar has an insane 0 to 60 of 2.8 seconds. The McLaren Senna. This supercar can cover a quarter of a mile in 10.4 seconds. From a standing start, the McLaren 720S. The rest of this respectfully speaks for itself. Enjoy the show. That is unfortunate. Well done, Mr. Rocker. You have successfully completed all of the objectives. We will step this up in the next episode.